I want to show you a couple of things. Okay, so this is a Master's Touch paint. It's real pretty. The shimmer in there is just gorgeous. I can see a light blue, a little bit of purple. Anyway, it's a pearl paint. Just has an absolute beautiful shimmer. I mix it with Floetrol, and can you see how nice and thin that is? You see that? Just disappears. See that? See how it runs off? It's nice and easy running right off the stick, okay? This one is cayenne, processed cayenne. I don't know. I believe that's what this is. Beautiful. By Academy. Just comes right off. Floetrol, doesn't matter how much Floetrol. Mixes nice, comes right off nice and thin. Liquitex, okay? A lime green or something that I'm using here. Just picked it out. Now, mix that with the Floetrol. Check it out. Thicker. See it? See how it's thicker? See that mound? So, about the same proportions, but Liquitex is a little bit of a thicker paint, I guess. Okay? So, here's what I'm going to do. The reason why I show you guys this is because this is like the hardest thing for me to learn. So, I got myself a little bit of water. That's a little bit damp, but it's okay. Now look, I'm just gonna go, boop. Oh, that's a lot. See a little puddle right there? Quite a bit. Let's see what happens. I'm going to do about half of that. It's light though. It's light. Okay. I like to scrape it off a little bit. So it's gonna be probably a little bit thinner actually. But there, see? Better. See how it's more like the other ones now? A little bit of a puddle, but see how it thinned out, coming off the stick pretty good. Oh yeah, there. Had to thin that one out, even though same medium for everything. That's the thing when you use different brands. So when you use different brands, a little bit of, it's a tiny little bit of water. See it in there? Oh yeah. When you use different brands, you're going to have different consistencies. Now, I'm not measuring it out. I'm eyeballing the Floetrol, American Floetrol. Okay, better. Artist Loft, level 2. So I'll just show you what I do. I got about that much in there, see? About 2. About to here. Okay, so from here to here is my Floetrol. So I'm going to squeeze it. That's it. Oops, that's all I'm putting in. Let's mix it. See what happens. Mixes up pretty fast. Of course, I stir pretty fast. Mixes all pretty fast. Such a funky color. Now see, okay, it's not really mixing. See that? See how it's kind of loopity-doops. So I'm going to mix it some more. Scrape your sides. Try not to get too aggressive with it like I just did. If you do, it's okay. Just have some paper towels nearby. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's see. So look, it's not just blopping off now. It's actually got a little flow to it. Still not quite mixed up. Scrape it up. Go around the edges. Okay. What is this color? I use it in another one, and I just said powder blue. It's actually called, it's a, okay, that's viscosity. Oh, it is called powder blue. Oh, like you're going snow skiing. But it's like a periwinkle, powder blue. I like it, like a purple blue. Okay, it's looking pretty good. A little bit thicker, but I don't really want to thin it out. There's a quick little lesson there. I hope it's helpful to you guys. you doing? What you doing, Moo Moo?